Can do it, she can, but she's a long way from home and she's nearly been knocked over straight away.
It's something that, that's great work in the deep.
That is clubbed, absolutely heaved.
That's what happens when you just miss your length, isn't it?
Oh, hello. Right to the rope and over it. So Laura Harris, here she goes.
We said it was set up for her.
And again, Taz absolutely monstered that. What a finish to the over for Laura Harris in game number 100. 4-6, 4-17 from the over. It's 4 for 81.
Opportunity. Oh, bang. Wow. She has absolutely clubbed that.
She gets a lot of that.
Yeah, that's gone.
That sounded beautiful off the bat. Well, ring up your friends, send them text messages and tell them to get in front of the telly because... Oh, now she's pulling them all out.
Stop it.
That's the pick of the bunch. What a shot.
Well, pace on as well by Nick Carey. 102 kilometres an hour.
Oh, now she gets the nick and another boundary. She's striking it over 300. It is phenomenal stuff. 37 from 12 balls.
Oh.
Well, Laura Harris has.
She's got to get a 6 for it to be in the hunt.
It's stunning stuff. It's 4 for 119. Well, she's almost launched it over the rope for the half century. She's got a couple of runs to negotiate before she gets there, but absolutely thrashes it through mid-off. And what a half century that is from Laura Harris.
She'll want to play 200 games if this is what that's going to be, a milestone game. She has single-handedly, if the Heat get across the line, would have won this game for them. Come in, 52 of 18 deliveries.
That's incredible. She just clubs it up onto the hill. And of course she does, and it's a top shelf catch. Gets the high five from the good friend. And there it is, well called. That was the gap, beautifully picked by Stalaker. And it's been a heroic performance from Laura Harris. The ball finds the rope. And what a day